Alright, what's up everybody? So for this video, I'm doing something a little different. Something that you have not seen on DigitalChefENT. I'm actually doing an unboxing video. So I actually don't buy like a ton of like collector's editions or things that really require unboxing videos because I just don't really buy that type of stuff that often. But I got something for you guys today that I'm really excited about that you guys might like too. So, Wrestlemania just passed. Wrestlemania was April 7th. I'm not trying to date this video, but Wrestlemania was April 7th, 2019. And WWE and Fila teamed up to do a collaboration shoot. Can't say collaboration for some reason. So they did a collaboration shoot. So they did two WrestleMania shoes. This is a black one and a white one. This is the black one. We will get to in a second. They did, Sasha Banks had her own shoe that they did. And then they did a special edition New Day colorway. Which I think the New Day's record was like 483 days as tag team champions. I have to fact check that and get back to you guys. But they did a special New Day colorway. They only did 483 versions of that shoe. And you can only buy them online on Foot Locker and at the Foot Locker in New York. Because that's where WrestleMania was. So those were limited editions. Those sold out hella quick. But they still had like the WrestleMania ones. I think the Sasha Banks ones. Those might have sold out too. But I saw like, hey, why not, cop these? So, I am a shoe guy. I'm not a big shoe guy, but I do like shoes. And actually, this is only like my second pair of Filas I've ever had in my life. But we're going to get to it. So, as you can see, we see Fila on the side. Also, you see the traditional, the old school WrestleMania logo with the new WWE logo. So, they kind of put those together. And then these are the original fitness cross WWE's. Actually, they were only $65, which is actually a steal. That's a really good price. So now we're gonna slide these out. So there's nothing. I think the paper's pretty straightforward. I don't think there's anything new about the paper. I know sometimes some shoes they'll come with like special paper, but we're gonna get to the shoes. So here are the Filas. Really nice. I got the black ones because, black doesn't get dirty as quick. The white ones are okay. I think the white ones might fit a little bit better with this colorway. I'm not sure why they come with blue shoestrings. Probably the match the box. It's kind of weird though. Anyway, so you see Fila right there. You flip it over at the bottom. You see the Fila cross WWE underneath. It has this kind of gum bottom. They're really nice. I can't wait to wear them. So if you look at the stick figure, who could that be? So what Fila did, they actually did t-shirts and hats as well. They had like the little stick figures on them. And so each stick figure, of course, is a different wrestler. So of course, if you know wrestling, this is actually The Undertaker. So when he wins the match, he gets down on one knee and he does his like hand raise, his music plays, the music, the lights turn down, he rolls his eyes, all this crazy shit. I'm trying to figure out why they added his hat. I think they added his hat because without the hat, you wouldn't know who he is. So just the hat is just kind of so you know who Undertaker is. But one of the cooler things about this shit, let's see if there's anything. Nothing on that side. You see the tongue. And just the Fila. There you go. Just the Fila with the purple and gold. But one of the cooler things, let's see if I can get to it. Yeah, so inside the shoe, this is on the inside of the shoe, and the cool thing about this is, and I think each shoe has a different one. I think there's 6 in total, so there's 3 on one shoe, 3 on the other. So inside the shoe is this. You can pull this out, and each one is a different WrestleMania moment. So, pretty sure the top one is Bret Hart versus Stone Cold when he put him in the sharpshooter, and Stone Cold was bleeding. The next one was probably my favorite WrestleMania 17, when Edge speared Jeff Hardy from the tag team titles off the ladder. Still one of the dopest moments. And this WrestleMania 3 one, I was trying to think, first I thought it was Jimmy Superfly Snuka, but I'm pretty sure that's not it. I'm pretty sure this is Macho Man, Get Ready to Jump. I'm pretty sure I have to cross-reference that. So this is from the right shoe. and then the left one has the remainder. So, for WrestleMania 10, this is Shawn Michaels versus Razor Ramon in the first ever ladder match. So that's Shawn Michaels jumping off the ladder. You got the WWE Cross Fila logo. And this is from WrestleMania 30. And if you don't remember this, this is actually when Undertaker had an undefeated streak at WrestleMania. So at WrestleMania 30, he lost to Brock Lesnar and broke the streak. And everybody in the crowd was like shocked and in awe. But there was one guy, there was a black guy in the crowd who had this just amazing face. And this is actually a little caricature of him, which I thought was pretty cool. That, you know, all the other ones are actual like wrestle moments, but then you have to have a fan. Because I think this was like pretty iconic now. So that's it for the WWE Cross Fila shoes. They're actually really nice. I can't wait to try them out and wear them because I haven't worn Filas in a long time. But thank you for checking out this unboxing video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Later.